News Network. It's time 9 p.m. Bulletin. I'm Adi Hasaid with international headlines. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison has said his government will not be intermediated by Facebook's blocking news feeds to users. A dispute over a planned law that would force a trick against Facebook and Google to pay for news contents in Australia is being keenly watched worldwide. Nearly 7 million people in the US states of Texas have been told to boil tap water before consuming it after a deadly winter storm caused power blockouts of treatment facilities. Over 2 million Texans have been without power since the weekend as winter storms swept the living many in America's second most popular states desperate for warmth. Jerusalem sees the first snow in 6 years. Holy sites such as the Western Wall and Dome of the Rock have been covered with a rare sprinkling of snow. Life expectancies in the US fell by a full year in the first half of 2020, a change experts say was fueled by the growing coronavirus pandemic. A Belarus court has jailed two TV journalists for 2 years on charge of fomenting protests for filming a rally against the country's leader. Bodies of two Delight girls aged 13 and 16 have been found on their family's farm in the northern Indian states of Uttar Pradesh.